Welcome to Tom Accessories, your ultimate destination for automotive innovation. Join us as we explore a world of cutting-edge car gadgets and accessories designed to elevate your driving experience, all right here on your favorite channel.
Now let's discuss a useful tool. Discover a new level of automotive convenience with the car ramp pair. Engineered with a sturdy structural design, these mobile ramps provide reliable, hassle-free access to the underside of your vehicle for maintenance and repairs. Their smart, interlocking structure maximizes storage space, making them the ideal addition to any garage or workshop. CoreTrack anti-slip feet enhance safety by minimizing slippage, while the 17-degree tilt is perfect for low-slung vehicles, ensuring smooth, easy loading and unloading. With an impressive GVW capacity of 12,000 pounds and compatibility with tires up to 9 inches wide, these ramps are built to deliver exceptional performance and durability, even in the toughest conditions. Elevate your car's interior with Yilai's innovative LED lights that combine durability, versatility, and stunning visual effects. Crafted with a robust hard strip, these lights resist deformation and aging while being effortlessly disassembled and reused. Experience a burst of pure, vivid color thanks to premium light beads and a dual-row design that delivers a 180-degree lighting angle for expansive, bright illumination. Plus, the built-in microphone syncs the lights to the rhythm of your music, adding an energetic touch that makes every journey more enjoyable. Customize your lighting experience with ease using either the user-friendly mobile app or the intuitive control box. Adjust colors, brightness, and activate music mode with just a tap through the LED lamp app. And why stop at the car? These versatile RGB LED lights are perfect for transforming any space from gaming rooms and bedrooms to vibrant party settings, allowing you to create dynamic, immersive environments wherever you go. Say goodbye to a cluttered car interior with the This Hill car cup holder with tray, your ultimate solution for on-the-go organization. Instantly add extra storage space to your driver and passenger seats while creating a versatile temporary table for meals, keeping your essentials neatly in place and easy to find. Featuring a 360-degree rotating, removable tray supported by a sturdy stand with flexible connecting arms, you can adjust its position to suit your needs. Use the tray to hold food, cards, your phone, and more. When you don't need it, simply detach the tray and the holder reverts to its standard cup holder function. The U-shaped groove is perfect for accommodating mugs with handles, and 4 removable rubber tabs ensure your cup stays securely in place. Upgraded the base to fit a variety of vehicles, expanding the adjustable size from 2.59 inches to 3.93 inches. This guarantees a secure installation on most car cup holders, even in tricky spaces where adjacent holders or the center console might otherwise interfere. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your car. Aniline Triangle Pet Hair Remover, your ultimate solution for effortless fur cleanup. Designed to tackle stubborn pet hair on car mats, furniture, clothing, and more, this innovative tool removes fur up to 10x faster than traditional methods. Glide it over any surface and watch embedded hair disappear in seconds. Crafted from premium durable materials, the aniline remover is built to last, making it a reliable companion for years of hassle-free pet hair management. Its unique triangular design gathers hair from every angle, ensuring even the most stubborn fur is quickly collected with minimal effort. Join countless satisfied pet owners who have shared their success stories and experienced the transformative power of aniline. Plus, with sustainability in mind, this reusable tool is easily cleaned with water after each use, helping you reduce waste while keeping your home fur-free. Meet the Cyc Plus Air Pump, the ultimate portable solution for all your inflation needs, whether you're on the road, cycling, or embarking on an adventure. With 4 selectable pressure units and multiple attachments, this versatile pump is designed for cars, motorcycles, mountain bikes, and road bikes alike. Its compact, cordless design weighs only 380 grams, making it incredibly easy to carry wherever you go. The pump comes with a handy storage bag for effortless organization and portability. In an emergency, you can count on its powerful motor to quickly inflate a 195/65R15 car tire from 22 psi to 36 psi in just 3 minutes, or a 725C road bike tire from 0 to 120 psi in a speedy 90 seconds. The auto shutoff feature stops the pump when the preset pressure is reached, preventing overinflation, and the built-in pressure gauge lets you monitor your tire pressure with ease. Plus, the top-mounted LED light transforms it into an emergency power source in the dark, while the USB-C input and USB-A output ports allow you to use it as a power bank for your mobile phone. Introducing our premium American flag license plate frame and tire valve caps, a set of stylish, durable accessories for your vehicle. The frame is crafted from a 4mm thick, brushed aluminum plastic composite panel with double-sided aluminum on the front and back, delivering a clear, heavy-duty texture that resists rust and corrosion. The national flag emblem is screen-printed with UV-proof and waterproof ink, ensuring vibrant, long-lasting colors without fading or aging. Designed to meet the US standard, the license plate frame features 4 thin edges that keep your registration stickers visible at all corners, meeting legal requirements in most states. A black foam pad is affixed to the back of the plate to reduce noise, prevent scratches, and secure a rattle-proof fit. Complementing the frame, the black flag tire valve caps are made from robust aluminum alloy and are compatible with various tires and wheel air valve stems. These personalized American flag accessories make a perfect gift for police officers, law enforcement, military veterans, or anyone proud of the United States. In TX mode, the B101 Pro Bluetooth transmitter lets you stream audio from TVs, PCs, and airplane systems to Bluetooth headphones, earbuds, or speakers via a 3.5mm cable with an extra dual 3.5mm aux adapter for broader aircraft compatibility. In RX mode, it wirelessly connects your smartphone to wired speakers, earphones, car stereos, or home audio systems. The included dual 3.5mm airplane headphone adapter ensures it works with any aircraft jack. Powered by Bluetooth 5.4 and a Qualcomm chip, the B101 Pro offers stable connections with aptX Adaptive and aptX Low Latency support for high-quality, low-delay audio, though a slight delay of around 200 milliseconds may occur with dual connections. Certified to FCC, CE, RoHS, and BQB standards, it features voltage endurance, overcurrent, short circuit, and NTC overheat protection. Enjoy over 24 hours of playtime on a full charge with fast 2-hour Type-C charging. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your car. Experience unbeatable cleaning power with our air duster. Engineered with a 130,000 RPM motor that generates a peak wind speed exceeding 52 meters per second. With 3 adjustable airflow settings, you can easily customize the power to match your cleaning needs, ensuring efficient, precise performance every time. Its built-in large-capacity battery supports 10-watt fast charging, reducing downtime and keeping you on the move. Crafted from high-hardness, high-temperature-resistant materials, our cordless air duster offers a premium texture, robust power, and low heat generation, all in a lightweight, ergonomically designed package that's comfortable to grip. Unlike traditional compressed air cans, this rechargeable air blower is eco-friendly and energy-efficient, eliminating risks of liquid or ice formation that can damage sensitive electronics. This high-performance device effortlessly clears dirt and debris from tight spaces on keyboards and electronic devices, making it perfect for home, office, or car use. Experience a massage like never before with the Boriwatt massager, designed to deliver unparalleled comfort. This extended design perfectly contours to your neck and back, curves for a truly customized massage. Enjoy dual built-in heating zones that let you relish soothing warmth on both your neck and back simultaneously, with 2 heat levels to melt away soreness and fatigue. For added safety, it automatically shuts off after 15 minutes to prevent overuse. Customize your relief with 3 adjustable intensities, low, medium, or high, controlled easily via a remote. Featuring 4 deep-kneading shiatsu massage nodes, it effectively targets muscle tension and relieves stiffness across multiple areas. Ideal for relieving back and neck pain, this massager makes a perfect gift for anyone, dad, mom, grandparents, or friends, ensuring they enjoy a daily dose of deep tissue relaxation and comfort. Each item in our collection is the culmination of extensive research and rigorous automotive testing by our team of experts. The durability and strength of the materials are carefully evaluated to ensure that the tools arrive ready for their intended use. The hydraulic jack boasts a powerful 2-ton lifting capacity, with a minimum lifting height of 5.1 inches and a maximum of 13 inches. This allows you to easily adjust the jack to your desired height, making it perfect for both garage services and heavy-duty industrial applications. The built-in safety release valve activates in the event of overload to prevent damage or injury, while the large saddle enhances stability and protects your vehicle. Crafted from high-strength steel, this jack is exceptionally strong and stable. Its swivel casters ensure smooth, trouble-free maneuverability for easy positioning.